Okay, earlier video I talked about what we call the organizational culture, how to develop a organizational culture that is receptive to digital transformation success. But today I'm going to talk about what are key success factors. Looking at organizations worldwide in our work, we have identified these 6 key, what we call KSF, key success factor that you must put in place to ensure a successful digital transformation initiative at the workplace. Number 1, you must have clarity on the digital vision and your transformation agenda. So why are we doing it? So the CEO, the CIO, the C-suite, the project management office, everyone must have clarity. And how do you cascade down? How do you communicate across the organization? That's number 1, very important. Second, you must have developed this obsession of the customer or customer centricity approach. So everything you do should focus on the customer. An example, good example is Starbucks. And I will give you a case study at the end about Starbucks, how they're able to develop this effectively. And third is about digital-driven structure and culture. So you need to, ensure, remember, the structure and culture always follow the strategy. So if your strategy is to implement a digital-driven strategy to ensure the sustainability of the organization, your structure should allow people to collaborate, to work together in partnership, not in silo. And number 4, there must be clear communication of the digital-driven culture. Why are we doing it? How do we do it? The way things are to be done, putting people over process and technology, that's important. So the CEO and the CIO have to communicate effectively. Number 5 is a data-driven problem-solving decision-making. So you need to look at market intelligence, you look at big data, data analysis to allow you to make effective decision-making. But remember, I mentioned about cognitive readiness. You need to make sure that the data should not be looked at. Sometimes you need to look at your own intuition, your gut feeling. But don't allow your gut feeling to overrule the data. So you need to look side by side. How can you look at the data and then look at your past experience? What does your gut feeling tells you? Then make a decision. And lastly, make sure that you have the right talent, both the project leader, the transformation leader, and the team member in place to drive the digital transformation strategy. Many times it's a question about do I build or do I buy? Build means you develop people internally, reskill, upskill them. That should be the best practice, but unfortunately, sometimes you do not have the right people in the first place. So you need to bring in people from outside, to bring in people with the right skill set, which can help you to drive your digital transformation effort to success. Now, so basically these are the 6 what we call the key success factor, and in our book we have elaborated that, and I encourage you to review that because you'll be looking, part of your case study assessment is looking at DBS case study, which is your assessment, which you will need to assess how they are successful, why are they successful, why do you think that, what are areas probably they have missed out, and you need to think about it, and we'll come back there in a future video. Thank you.